The Great Replacement, also known as the replacement theory, is a white nationalist conspiracy theory which states that, with the complicity or cooperation of replacist elites, the white French population, as well as white European populations at large, is being demographically and culturally replaced with non-European peoples, specifically Arab, Berber, South Asians and sub-Saharan Muslim populations from Africa and the Middle East, through mass migration, demographic growth and a European drop in the birth rate. This theory is popular among anti-migrant far-right movements in the West. Scholars have generally dismissed the claims of a great replacement as being rooted in an exaggerated reading of immigration statistics and unscientific, racist views. While similar themes have characterized various far-right theories since the late 19th century, the term great replacement was popularized by the French author Renaud Camus in his 2011 book Le Grand Remplacement. It specifically associated the presence of Muslims in France with potential danger and destruction of French culture and civilization. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.